Fixing to do some turbo work, so I got a 4-inch piece of turbo pipe, and I need to weld this to it, but it's for 3-inch, so obviously that doesn't work. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of 4-inch pipe, which I will be able to utilize to make my saddle template, my coping template, if you will. Take you a 2-inch hole saw, set it up in a vise, drill a hole. Okay, get it about as even as you can underneath, and mark it with the Sharpie. Now that, my friend, is exactly how much you want to take off. Okay, I'm going to tack this in and then weld it. Okay, now I got that tacked in place. Brush out the Sharpie mark there, get the inks out of there. Okay, at this point, I've already pre-drilled for my aluminum boss where I'm going to weld it right here. As you can see right in here. And I always like to put something in the aluminum boss, preferably this brass. That way it'll keep it from warping when you weld it. Even though it's not going to be a whole lot, it's still a potential chance of it. So I'll, after it cools, I can take it out. But this will just keep a little bit of the warpage down. You can always come back and chase it with a tap. I don't like doing that because you're actually removing more of the aluminum, take away from a better thread seal. But on this one, now that it's welded, then I come in and drill, cut out the inside with a hole saw, and then finish it up with my rotary file all the way up to the edge. And if you're wondering if I weld the inside of these, I never do. I never go inside and weld the inside of these. These things seal off. I've never had a problem. So yeah, less is more. But there is something that I do. I do. Take my deburr knife and I go in here and I clean the inside before I weld it. And that's less air turbulence. That cools off. I'll take that brass piece out. Okay, got that all out, not looking nice. Threads still look beautiful. Oh, got this cut out with the hole saw, so now I need to just come back in here and trim just a little bit with the rotary file. Kind of clean that up, but this dude's pretty much done. I can actually go ahead and call the customer. He's in Baytown, so he's about 30 minutes from me. Have him come over and pick it up. Yeah, buddy.